Hello everyone, I'm Junchi. Today I'm really excited to walk you through my Capstone project, Resilio, the cognitive supply chain engine. In 2023, a single tornado hit a big pharma's warehouse in the US, creating a crisis for a facility responsible for almost 25% of its injectables used in US hospitals. We know the pharma supply chain can be really fragile. However, current tools and standard AI agents fail to provide the solution. They can hallucinate, they cannot do math, and they are frozen in time. I built Resilio to provide the solution. It's not a chatbot, it's a cognitive engine where 3 layers of reasonings are being used, where I combine different tools and 5 agents to apply the reasoning correctly. Here I'm showing you 5 different agents are being used, from Sentinel, where it identifies which location, which event it is, and verifies through NASA EONet and Tablet search with the Gemini 2.5 Flash. The detective will trace down which path is being impacted from the location to a supplier, then to a finished good product in the US. The quantifier will launch a 1000 replication multicolor simulation to evaluate the inventory gap days as well as the revenue loss in the range. Then the strategist will output recommendations based on the risk tier. The auditor will evaluate the hallucination and math errors along the way. Now let me show you how it works. In this supply chain engine here, I demo 4 different preset scenarios, and we can definitely customize our input. We can see different nodes represent different suppliers, locations, or products. If we select the first one, we can see this path is being impacted from the first 2 nodes. And here, if we look more detailedly on the risk assessment, we can see which event type is identified, entity being impacted, the corresponding revenue risks in a range, duration days of the disruption, as well as inventory gap days. Then we know what are being recommended. This is a reallocation strategy. The auditor will output if any hallucination is being used and math errors showed up. Let's try another scenario. This scenario shows a more complex failures along the supply chain where 2 products are being impacted. The corresponding revenue are calculated together and showing up by product. That's all for my demo. Thank you for listening.